Alright folks, this is a Jeep that I'm looking at today. Got pretty, it's in really good condition. The paint is real clear. Don't see any, there's a little damage right there. Transmission, upgraded stereo, sound bar up there. Top seems to be in real good condition. Lots of tire tread, spare tire. I'm gonna take this one for a spin real quick. It has a V6 engine. I'll show you. Pretty clean. Man, I'm broadcasting live on Facebook. Which one, that Escalade? This guy's already world famous. I don't need to make you more famous. What happened to your nose?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Yeah. I jumped down and the pool jumped up.
Oh, ouch. Yeah, that normally involves a little too much alcohol.